Hello. Welcome to ضحك.com. ضحك.com. Today we talk about your phone. Your sweet phone, your baby, your I can't live without you phone. Yes, that phone is basically toilet cousin. Phone equals toilet cousin. يا ساتر. You take phone everywhere. Bed, kitchen, gym, bathroom, sometimes even next to shawarma. Then you touch your face, your food, your eyes. Habibi, you are doing germ delivery service. توصيل مجاني. Okay, how germs spread on your phone? Your hands touch everything. Door handles, money, elevator buttons, shopping carts. Then you touch your phone. Your phone is like a sponge. No, like a VIP hotel for microbes. And your phone is warm. Warm plus dark plus always touched equals perfect place for germs to chill. It's like, welcome sir, would you like a room with bacteria view? But what germs exactly? Germs mean bacteria, tiny living things, viruses, tiny troublemakers, and other microbes. Not every germ will make you sick, some are normal, but your phone can carry the bad ones too, especially if you touch your face or eat while scrolling. You think you are eating chips, but actually you are eating screen flavor. Tastes like public transport. Wallah la. Now let's talk about the elephant in the room. Bathroom phone users, I see you. In the bathroom, germs can spread from hands and also from tiny droplets in the air when you flush. So if your phone is there, it can get a free shower of microscopic drama. Then you leave the bathroom and go like, let me show you this meme. Bro, that meme came with bonus محتوى. Haram. How phone germs reach you? Simple. Touching. You touch phone, touch eyes, nose or mouth, germs say, hello, new home. Especially eyes. Eyes are like open windows. Germs love windows. Also, you share your phone. Look at this video. Then your friend touches your phone and now you share germs like family. أهلا وسهلا. Mini joke. Your phone is not smartphone. It's community phone. Everyone's bacteria knows it. Okay, halul. No panic. Just be smart. Wash your hands, especially before eating. Hands are the main taxi for germs. Don't take phone to the bathroom. I know it's boring, but use your imagination or read shampoo ingredients like a novel. Clean your phone regularly. Use a soft cloth, and if you use wipes, make sure they're safe for screens. Clean the screen, back, and case. The case is the secret villain. Don't eat while scrolling. If you must, at least one hand is for food, one hand is for phone, like separating cousins at wedding. Khalas. Don't share phone too much. If your friend wants to see something, hold the phone yourself like, look, no touchy. Quick reality check. Funny. Some people sanitize phone once per year. Habibi, that's not cleaning. That's annual forgiveness. Astaghfirullah. Question. Do you take your phone to the bathroom? Be honest. If yes, comment أنا آسف. If no, comment أنا نظيف. This was ضحك.com. ضحك.com. Remember, your phone is amazing, but it touches everything. So clean it sometimes, wash your hands, and please stop treating it like bathroom roommate. Yalla, bye.